One of my favorite home remedies for itchy eyes, especially when they're red and inflamed, maybe from pollen allergies. This time of year here in Florida, all of our oak trees are in bloom. So you can get what's called juhua, or chrysanthemum flowers, from your local Chinese herbalist or acupuncturist or from the Asian market. Try to break off about 2 to 3 flowers, and they come in a large mat, so it's kind of interesting the way you'll find them. And get some hot water, just like you're going to make tea, and drop your chrysanthemum flowers in there and let them steep for about 5 minutes or so. So there's a couple of different ways that we can utilize this chrysanthemum flower. We can just make it as a tea and we can drink it. It'll make a very light tea for you. And actually, as the chrysanthemum starts to get soaked up into the water there, you'll find that it's actually pleasant to eat it. So we can actually nosh on it as we're drinking our tea. But probably the single most effective way that we can use these chrysanthemum flowers, once you've already got those dry, itchy eyes, is once it's wetted, we can take it and take one for each eye and just place it in the same way you might use a witch hazel pad on your eyes. Let them sit there for about 10 minutes, resting on your back, and you'll find that it just brings that burning and that itchy sensation right out of your eye. So remember to pick up some chrysanthemum flowers next time the hay fever or pollen season is starting to bug you.